Apple has officially released the first developer beta of iOS 18.4. While it doesn't yet include the highly anticipated Apple Intelligence features, this update packs in a variety of new features and improvements. Let's dive into everything new in the iOS 18.4 Beta 1. This iOS 18.4 beta is now available for developer beta testers, featuring build number 22E5200S. Public beta testers can expect access next week. Apple News and Food section. A new section offers thousands of curated recipes from top publishers in a clean, clutter-free format. Image Playground update. Apple's added the third and final promised image style, Sketch, alongside animation and illustration. Expanded language support. Apple Intelligence now supports French, German, Italian, Brazilian Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and simplified Chinese, along with localized English for Singapore and India. Genmoji improvements. The Genmoji button in the emoji keyboard is now significantly larger, and a helpful pop-up explains its use. Users can now set a default translate app in the US and beyond. In the European Union, users can now select a default navigation app. iOS 18.4 introduces 4 new ambient music modes in Control Center: chill, productivity, sleep, and well-being. These can be customized with any playlist from your Apple Music library. Select cars can now support a third row of app icons on the CarPlay home screen. The new Mail app, which debuted on iPhone with iOS 18.2, is now available on iPadOS 18.4. It automatically sorts email into 4 categories: primary, which is personal and time-sensitive messages; promotions, which are marketing emails and coupons; transactions, which are receipts and confirmations; and updates, which hold news and social media notifications. A new Apple Vision Pro app is set to launch in April. This app will automatically appear on your iPhone if you own a Vision Pro, or you can download it separately to explore its features. iOS 18.4 also introduces new accommodations for the guest user feature on Apple Vision Pro, a redesigned interface for editing your albums list in the Photos app. New setup prompts allow users to select an age range when setting up a new iPhone. These options go as child, which is 12 or younger, teen, which is 13 to 17, and adult, which is 18 or older. This helps configure appropriate parental controls and safety features. New library and shows widgets from the Podcasts app, allowing quick access to episodes from your favorite shows. 2 new shortcut actions for messages: Open Conversation and Send Message. 2 new Australian voices for Siri. Control Center refinements, including a new focus mode picker, a redesigned cellular data toggle, a new volume adjustment animation. In settings, the camera app settings now have their own dedicated menu. Japanese My Number Card digital ID is coming to Apple Wallet. That's everything new in iOS 18.4 Beta 1. We'll continue covering updates as they roll out. Stay tuned for more hands-on coverage and let us know if you've spotted any changes.